Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of copyright law, a crucial topic for creators, artists, musicians, and anyone who shares content online. If you've ever wondered what copyright protects, how to avoid infringement, or whether fair use applies to your work, stick around. Copyright is a legal protection that gives the creator of an original work exclusive rights over its use and distribution. This includes books, music, artwork, movies, software, and more. Basically, if you create something original and it's fixed in a tangible form, meaning it's written down, recorded, or saved digitally, it's automatically copyrighted. But keep in mind, copyright does not protect ideas, facts, or short phrases. For example, you can't copyright a joke or a dance move, though some choreography can be protected. The length of copyright protection depends on where you live. In the US, copyright usually lasts for the creator's lifetime plus 70 years. After that, it enters the public domain, meaning anyone can use it for free. Fair use is a major exception to copyright law. It allows limited use of copyrighted material without permission under certain conditions, like commentary and criticism, news reporting, education and research, and parody. For example, if you're reviewing a movie and show a short clip while discussing it, that might be fair use. But using an entire song in your video? Probably not. Want to stay safe on YouTube? Here are a few tips. Use royalty-free or Creative Commons content. Websites like YouTube's audio library have free music. Get permission from the copyright owner. If you're unsure, always ask. Transform the content significantly. Add commentary, critique, or educational value. Give proper credit. Even if something is under Creative Commons, attribution might be required. If you use copyrighted content without permission, you could get a copyright claim or strike. Claims usually mean your video can't be monetized, but strikes are more serious. 3 strikes, and your channel could be deleted. So now you know the basics of copyright law and how to protect yourself online. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments. Have you ever dealt with a copyright claim? See you in the next one.